As you can probably tell, this isn't a real car, but the fire underneath its hood is. That car, along with many other vehicles, aircrafts, and buildings, was manufactured inside the fabrication shop at Kirila Fire Training in Hartford Township.
These guys are fabricating a flashover trainer. In the background there is a fishbone of an aircraft that's starting to get built. Over here is a railroad tanker mock-up for a chlorine dome trainer for the firemen to learn how to secure a leaking valve on a chlorine railroad tank.
Jerry Kirila is president.
We study fire behavior and recreate that so that the firemen are training in a real life situation and get the same fire behavior effects as if they were in a real life situation.
Founded 12 years ago, Kirila Fire Training designs, manufactures, installs, and maintains fire training systems used at defense installations all over the world. Kirila says 70% of his business is done with the Department of Defense.
It really helps have that anchor work to help continue building the company and continue other operations when you know you have that anchor.
In 2018, Trumbull County companies secured $20.3 million in business from the Department of Defense, and they posted over $481,000 worth of business thus far in 2019. A sizable chunk of defense contracts awarded in Trumbull County has gone to Kirila.
They have requirements of their firemen to participate in live fire training drills at certain frequencies, once a year, twice a year, depending on what the skill set is. And so with that requirement, they have to train at different locations.
Before they're shipped all over the world to military bases, each aircraft, tower, and vehicle is equipped with a touchscreen controlled ignition system that's able to spark blazes at various places, both inside and out.
One will give you a cockpit fire, one will give you a passenger fire, cargo fire, wheel well fire, engine fire, so they all go to different locations. So if you can see the back of that, see how there's a top? We built that and it transfer in 45 seconds. You push a button and it goes to 2 stories. And what that's for is firemen have to have basement training, but it's too dangerous. So they got to start on the 2nd floor and pull their hose down to the 1st floor. There's a technique to do that.
In order to provide support in the field, Kirila sends out mobile workshop rigs with the tools needed to build, modify, and maintain each installation.
So we actually pull this with a rig that is a motorhome, that is the kitchen, the hotel, the office. And our guys move from job to job. Of course, the Department of Defense has a worldwide presence, and this training needs to happen wherever the firefighters are. So it extends us way beyond the limits of our country.
717 Credit Union, savings power to give your business an extra boost. Business savings, certificates, and business money market. 717 Credit Union, make your money work as hard as you do.